Shubor Snem jong nong san Hima.
MLA Barim ka West Shillong uba Mohendro Rapsang. Hanigasngi baar ulami ino na ka NPP bat let penyaso yalade bat ka BJP. Habagren shikilat patay kubor uba Mohendro uloong ba ukmen ba udan bat ka NPP ru. Henry ularemno yak election house nam ajar pulai bat menta upenyaso no bat ka BJP ban ya chakmat nak Bynta ka Jingbha ka Jylla. Habagli balik se uba pol ula ban penyaso bat ka NPP bat ka Jingmi no jung u na ka NPP kala bandai bakan kata ya u ha ka election uba Mohendro uloong ba ka jinya kun ya ka election ha ka nugun ka por ka don bet ka jinya kun bat umdan jing thot lada ki we ki penyaso bat ka nugun ka party hendai ma upat ba ula penyaso bat ka BJP unne bet haka bat un e ya ka party lagan jet ne MU ban ya kun election.
I've been expecting that. You see, I was happy. I was happy in the tenure with NPP also. And then when I contest the 23 election, I lost that seat. Okay. Now moving forward, after joining BJP now, for what? For the growth of the state and the nation as well. That's all. That is my aim.
West Shillong is the general constituency. Do you think that joining BJP will give you benefit in this West Shillong constituency?
West Shillong is a
General constituency.
general, yeah. It will benefit. Why not? People are starting voting for BJP. Even the tribal and not tribal, everybody is voting for BJP.
And there are also talks going on that Papalinga may join NPP. Do you see that if he joins NPP, will there be any challenging kind of situation for you?
I don't have any comments on that.
Do you see Papa a challenge for you since you have joined BJP?
See, elections every time is a challenge for anybody who contests the election. So I don't see to others where he joined, who joined, what joined, but I see to myself, and I am stick with the party, I'll work with the party. If the party finds fits to be to contest the election, I'll contest. I live within the party.
There were since before election, always we find that some comments or other comments comes out against the atrocities against Christians. So if comes out before election, will also hamper your prospect. How are you planning to counter that?
I don't think so will happen. We'll try to explain, talk to the people how we're going to solve this problem. So number one, finding a party, the party with a future. Number two, my contest election, lada ka party ka aila hai. These are the
The Shubu lada ka party ka mai tiket pada khle kumno kata boy.
Anu mile. I cannot go against the party since I'm joining the party now. If the party don't give me a ticket, that's still something I'll work for the party. Okay? Yes, sir.
Barok ki breu ki khmi yakalaway babha ki wat yakajaka bansan kajaka ban kiyo shaprang.
MIT University Meghalaya mankasni kalong ka jingstang bathuma ki jingikai bapura katkom kajok ka bamta. Ke MIT University kadan bonjait ki course pat ki jingikai. Kum ka fashion design, filmmaking, communication design, music, BBA, MBA, sports management, nursing, BTech, computer science, BSW, MSW, but QA.
Ha MIT University Meghalaya ki jingtrang jongpi shaka jingjob ki urlong, but ki galalong ka jingshisha.
MIT University Meghalaya ka jingya lenti ka bastang shakalaway bachok.